Das ist ein Insider, der bleibt doch Insider.
Yeah, that's exactly. Okay. First of all, with the festivals, it's a lot of work for them, and with not so much reward in terms of and Stolpen is not a really big festival. As you were saying about they have problems lately with hot air balloons, where saw a hot air balloon and pilots like to come down low over the ostrich farm to make them run and show that it's good for their guests. And they've already had animals that have been injured from running into the fence or whatever. And so they've complained about that, but that doesn't change anything. So, and then also, with teenagers or other people coming in and feeding them potato chips or other things, and they get sick, and they've had animals die because of that. So, just last weekend on Sunday, grandfather came with his grandson and went around the fence where it says "Don't come in," and was feeding the animals. So, it's constant battle. She said. But they have installed cameras now with control. Let me get a picture from behind you.